I took the 2 by 2 by 2 cubes out of the pressure pot a while ago, took the cups off of it, and I don't know how it happened, but the heat in the cup became so great that the air got past my plug in the cup and it pushed the bottom out. This one tilted a little bit, but the other one, the cup actually fell over, but luckily it leaned up against the side of the pressure pot, so right there you can tell that it actually is not even. But with what I plan on doing, I think that'll work, so it's not lost. It's not a lost cause anyway. Let's see how that's running. Dang gum, that's running pretty true. Good enough for what I'm gonna do. Now, I gotta round this out. I gotta shape this. And my Alumilite is not 4 days old in this, but I don't want it super hard. I actually, because of the 3D print that's in here, I want to turn this just a little bit on the soft side. So, and well, that I didn't want to happen. While I was turning, I had a catch and it broke off 3 sides of the Alumilite where it was attached to the 3D print. I got a little too aggressive with that pointy carbide. I should have just kept going with the round. I would have had a better result. Damn it. Dang it. Sorry. getting too hot. And now to apply a little bit of Axe polishing paste. Turn the speed up. This turned out flipping amazing. I might have to keep this one just for show and tell. All right, bring the light up here. A little different. I want to give a big shout out and say thank you, Tracy Strand, there we go, and her significant other who makes these 3D prints. Thank you very much, guys. This really turned out super cool. So keep doing what you're doing. You're doing a great job. All right, everybody. Let's back this way off. Get rid of the helmet. I look kind of goofy. Well, I look goofy anyway. Hey, my name's Kevin. If you like what I did here with this palm placer for doing diamond painting, give me a thumbs up. Like my video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Where's that button?